So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the grid lines on a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go ahead and add a table to your design. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this green table right here. I'll make it right in the middle so it's a little bit easier to see. Now if you want to edit the grid lines, so the grid lines would be of course the lines within your table. Press on the table right here, scroll down to where it says grid lines. Now if you want to get rid of every single grid line where all these are highlighted blue, simply just go ahead and uncheck all of them just like that. You can kind of play around with it. So if you want to add whatever the case may be here, you can go ahead and do that. To add those grid lines, you can add these grid lines. You can get rid of, add these grid lines, but get rid of those ones. Whatever you guys want to do, you can kind of play around with it. It is completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit and adjust the grid lines of a table here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.